Abby's Small Kitchen again. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook or prepare pork and vegetables spring roll. So here's our ingredients. We have here garlic, one big size potato, one big size onion, and bell pepper, and carrot, and we have here 6 stems of celery, and cheese, and cornstarch, ground black pepper, salt, three eggs, and 454 grams of ground pork. We need also pastry wrapper or spring roll wrappers, and we need the knife, also grater, bowl, and of course chopping board. So first thing we should do, we will chop our vegetables like finely chopped. So as you can see, I'm chopping the garlic, and this garlic gives flavor to our dishes. Just like this, finely chopped. Next is bell pepper. Bell pepper are rich in vitamins and antioxidants and helps to reduce our risk of chronic diseases. Onion, you can put yellow onion or red onion. Yeah, I put yellow onion because it gives sweetness to our dishes. So next is carrots. Carrots are rich in beta carotene that contains vitamin A, which can benefit to our eyesight and also can boost our immune system and to help to dissolve the fat to our body, and it also contains fiber that helps to maintain our bowel movement and digesting food. Next is our celery. It's a source of antioxidants and phytonutrients, which helps to reduce inflammation to our digestive systems, cells, blood vessels, and organs. The leaves of the celery has calcium, potassium, and vitamin C. Next is our potato. Potatoes are also a good source of fiber, which can help us to lose our weight and helps to prevent heart disease by keeping our cholesterol and blood sugar levels. And it contains also an antioxidant, helps to lower our risk of heart disease and cancer. So this is our finely chopped vegetables, and I'm gonna add our ground pork, and I'm going to add the cornstarch to make stick them together. Salt. Just add first 1.5 tablespoon of salt, but you can add later if you want more, some saltiness of your food. And now we can add our pepper, just only half of the teaspoon. You can add more according to your preferences. Next is we're going to make a paste made of cornstarch and egg whites, just to sip the edge of our spring roll. Just mix it together so that the egg whites and the cornstarch incorporate each other. So I'm gonna remove or take out the egg yolk, and I'm gonna put it in our pork and vegetable mixture so that it will not gonna be wasted. Now let's put 2 whole eggs to our pork and vegetables mixtures. So these eggs will help to make it stick them together. So I used a wood spatula to stir up or mix them together so that it will can combine or incorporate each other. And then later on, so it's very hard to use those spatula, so I'm gonna use my hands. So my hands is already clean, so better to mix them with my hands because the bowl is moving. So now I'm gonna add the cheese, and I'm gonna break it, and cheese will gonna add some flavor and saltiness to our spring roll. I took the other half of our spring roll mixture because I'm gonna make it spicy spring roll. So what I did, I finely chopped also the pepper, and I'm gonna put some chili flakes. So after mixing this spicy spring roll, we're gonna go to our next preparation, which is the wrapping our spring roll. But first we have to separate it because they're sticking together, and we need more careful and just slowly taking out so that it will not get ripped off. So take some of your spring roll mixture and put in one corner of your wrapper and arrange it. Then fold it over and pull it down, tuck in, and brush some cornstarch and egg white mixture on the edge of the wrapper, and fold it and the other side also, and then roll it and tuck in and roll it tightly, and look, it's already sealed. In our spicy spring rolls, I put more fillings because it's just only, food for our lunch, and it's not for sale. Even the other one I made earlier, it's not for sale. So this is our finished product, and I'm gonna store it on the freezer because later on or the other day, if I wanna eat spring roll, I'm just gonna fry it.